Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Indonesia, Jakarta as a capital city. On behalf of Flamingo Tour and Travel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Reti Gani. You can call me Gani. And in front of you, there is Bapak Akbar as our professional driver, and beside me, there is Bapak Dodo as a co-driver. I'm happy to be your guide, and I hope you will enjoy the trip. First, our itinerary today that will go to Grand Melia Hotel. And from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport to Grand Melia Hotel, it will take about 2 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, if you first time visit Indonesia, I want to know about Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelagic country located in Southeast Asia, lying between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is located in a strategic location as straight along major sea lanes connecting East Asia, South Asia, and Oceania. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. Indonesia, its various regional cultures have been shaped, although not specifically determined, by centuries of complex interaction with its physical environment. In 2020, census recorded Indonesia populations as 270.2 million, the fourth largest in the world. Indonesia is divided into 3 time zones: Western Indonesia Time, Central Indonesian Time, and Eastern Indonesian Time. Indonesia has 2 seasons, a wet season and a dry season, with no extreme of summer or winter. For most of Indonesia, the dry season falls between May and October, while the wet season between November and April. Some regions, such as Kalimantan and Sumatra, experience only slight difference in rainfall and temperatures between seasons, whereas others, such as Nusa Tenggara, experience far more pronounced difference, with drought in the dry season and flood in the wet. Rainfall in Indonesia is plentiful, particularly in West Sumatra, Northwest Kalimantan, West Java, and Western New Guinea. Indonesia's climate is almost entirely tropical, dominated by the tropical rainforest climate found in every major island of Indonesia, followed by the tropical monsoon climate that predominantly lies along Java's coastal north, Sulawesi's coastal south and east, and Bali, and finally the tropical savanna climate found in isolated location of Central Java, lowland East Java, coastal southern Papua, and smaller island to the east of Lombok. Indonesia is an ethnically diverse country with around 1,300 most Indonesian are descendants from Austronesian peoples, with language had origins in Proto-Austronesian, which possibly originate in what is now Taiwan. Another major grouping is the Melanesians, who inhabit eastern Indonesia or the Maluku Island and Western New Guinea. The Javanese are the largest ethnic group, constituting 40.2% of the population in Indonesia, and they are politically dominant. They are predominantly located in the central to eastern parts of Java and also sizable numbers most provinces. The Sundanese, Malay, Batak, Madurese, Minangkabau, and Bugis are the next largest group. A sense of Indonesian nationhood exists alongside strong regional identities. The country's official language is Indonesian. It was promoted by nationalists in the 1920s and achieved official status under the name Bahasa Indonesia in 1945. Indonesia officially regards only 6 religions: Islam, Protestantism, Roman Catholics, Hindus, Buddhists, and Confucian. With indigenous religion only partly acknowledged. Indonesia is the world's most populous Muslim majority country with 227 million adults in 2017. Then, for flora fauna in Indonesia based on the geographic location are divided into three regions, namely West Central, East Indonesia, the type of flora found in the western region, for example, such as mushroom, meranti, mahogany, resin, moss plant, and others. This is due to the influence of the climate in the western region, which tends to have high rainfall intensity. Meanwhile, the types of fauna found in the western region include reptiles, mammals, birds, and fish. In fact, there are many most distribution of endemic fauna in the western region, such as the one horned rhino, tapir, Sumatran tiger, orangutan, and Mahakam dolphin. The central part of Indonesia has a low level of humidity and rainfall, so the flora in the region is dominated by spices such as nutmeg, cloves, sandalwood, ebony, and orchids. In addition, there are many endemic fauna that exist in the middle areas such as the Komodo dragon, anoles, horsey, and maleo birds. The forest types in the eastern region are dominated by tropical rainforests and mountain forests, so that the flora that can be found include sago and palm trees. There are also rasamala trees, eucalyptus plants, and matoa. Endemic fauna in this area includes birds of paradise, casuaries, black-winged parrots, and tree kangaroos. Officially, the special capital region of Jakarta, Daerah Khusus Ibu Kota Jakarta, is the capital city of Indonesia. It lies on the northwest coast of Java, the world's most populous island. Jakarta is the center of the economy, culture, and politics of Indonesia. It has province-level status, which has a population of 10,500,988 as of 2020. Although Jakarta extends over 990.5 square kilometers, and thus has the smallest area of any Indonesian province, is metropolitan area, and is the world's second most populous urban area after Tokyo. Jakarta business opportunities and its ability to offer potential higher standard of living that is available in other parts of the country have attracted migrants from across in the Indonesian archipelago. Jakarta covers in 999.5 square kilometers, the smallest among any Indonesian province. However, its metropolitan area and the Greater Jakarta are includes three bordering regencies, Bekasi, Tangerang, and Bogor Regency, and 5 adjacent cities, Bogor, Depok, Bekasi, Tangerang, and South Tangerang. Jakarta attracts people from across Indonesia, often in search of employment. The 1961 census showed that 51% of city population was born in Jakarta. Inward immigration tended to negate the effect of family planning programs. The Betawi or orang Betawi atau people of Batavia are the descendants of the people living in and around Batavia who became recognized an ethnic group around the 18 to 19 century. Jakarta religious composition was distributed over Islam, Protestantism, Catholicism, Buddhist, Hindu, dan Confucianism. Long before modern development demolished the city's forests and natural suburbs, the city used to be populated with unique flora and fauna, which were rarely seen elsewhere. Jakarta engaged people Betawi. Ngapain gue garuk-garuk anjir? Among the engaged flora and fauna of Jakarta are elang bondol, or Haliatur indus, Bulus, Amida cartilaginea, salak condet, and kembang telang. Most of these flora and fauna species, however, are now difficult to find in Jakarta. A small population of the eagle is reported to survive on Kepulauan Seribu, a group of islands off the coast of North Jakarta. Salak condet, a local tropical fruit that is the rich combination of sweet and sour flavor. It's rarely found in the market these days. Condet, in the area where the fruits used to thrive, is now an overpopulated area in East Jakarta. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you about Hotel Grand Melia Jakarta, luxury hotel with extraordinary architecture and elegant decoration, located in Kuningan area, Jakarta's Golden Triangle area. The ideal place to enjoy Jakarta, it is close to the most important center business district, situation center, and embassies. Enjoy the old city life in one of the most amazing cities of Asia. Grand Melia Jakarta offers is a choice of meeting rooms with natural light and fantastic garden views, allowing you to create a space that can be adapted for both personal and professional events. Stunning architecture and full commitment to providing the best service combined with complete facilities that have been easiest have made this iconic 5-star international hotel the standard of 21st century luxury in the city of Jakarta, Indonesia. With its Spanish heritage, Grand Melia Jakarta ensures there is a spirit of innovation and customer satisfaction with the best service. Our top priority is the commitment of all hotel employees. And for guys who want to relax while staying at the hotel, they can enjoy his spa service, an outdoor swimming pool, refreshing garden, and a fully equipped fitness center. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we are arriving at the Grand Melia Hotel in Jakarta. Don't forget to check your personal belongings before you leave the bus. Thank you for your attention and participation. See you on the next occasion.